Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your account is KYC complete and your mobile number is registered. This enables OTPs and security prompts. Once done, download Connect from the official store and grant permissions so the app can receive OTPs and use biometrics. Next, open the app, choose Register, and enter your account number and registered mobile number. You will receive an OTP. Use your debit card and ATM PIN when prompted for further verification, because that links the app to your account securely. Once registered, you must set up a secure access method. Create an MPIN or password, and if your phone supports it, enable biometrics for faster login. Then activate the app's token or device binding to authorize transactions without repeated net banking logins. This is the step that ties your device to the bank for secure OTP-less confirmations. After that, add beneficiaries by entering their account details and IFSC. Set daily transfer limits according to your needs, and turn on notifications so you always see transactions. To finish, perform a small test transfer or bill payment to verify everything works. Confirm beneficiary details before authorizing and use the token or MPIN when the app asks. Make sure to log out after significant changes and keep the app updated to get security fixes and new features. If something goes wrong, such as OTPs not arriving or login failing, first check your registered mobile number, network, and SMS permissions. If that fails, clear app cache and re-register, or contact Bank of Baroda support immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.